Splitting faces of complex geometry often requires the use of multiple features. Sketches, surfaces, offset surfaces, or a combination of these features are required to achieve the desired result. With the addition of the offset curve feature, it is now easier to split faces of complex geometry using fewer features and with greater accuracy. In this example, the face of the surface needs to be split to add an overmold. An offset curve is created on the surface with an offset of 0.1 inches. In the dialog, the Offset, Extend, and Split option is selected, followed by the target faces. Once complete, the measure distance from the split to the edge of the surface is 0.1 inches at the base and 0.1 inches at the top. Performing the same operation with a sketch and split face workflow increases the distance from the edge of the surface to the split edge, where the surface changes direction. Differences between the two methods are clearly seen where the surface changes direction. Offset curve produces a uniform distance along the surface edge, whereas the sketch and split face workflow shows a varying distance along the edge. The offset curve workflow creates more accurate downstream operations in less time with fewer features. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more Onshape tech tips.